Hello. In this channel, we deal with various aspects about business and entrepreneurship. We have had many videos which you can check out in the link. Now we are also planning to hold some collaboration videos wherein we will have leading entrepreneurs and business persons talk to us about their journey, and also will share different interesting aspects relating to entrepreneurship. So this is one such collaboration video wherein we have Miss Lakshmi Sorte with us to talk about her journey as an entrepreneur. So by profession, Miss Lakshmi Sorte is a company secretary and a lawyer. She has over 7 years of experience working as a CS, as a company secretary in leading companies. And after this rich experience, she took on her own entrepreneurial journey. She became an artist, a freelance artist. As an artist, what she does is markets the goods such that they depict the personality, the brand, and the outlook of the company. So this is going to be a very interesting video. Let's get right into the discussion with Miss Lakshmi Sorte. But before that, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Welcome to RK Talks featuring Miss Lakshmi Sorte.
Hello, welcome to RK Talks. Today we have with us Lakshmi Sorte. She is by profession, she is a CS, a company secretary, and a lawyer. And she has been working for past 7 years in corporate uh, as a lawyer, as a chartered secretary, and now she has started her own entrepreneurship as a freelance artist. So what she does is that she does art for marketing the business better, and which will help the entrepreneurs in depicting the personality, brand, and outlook. How do you go about, and what is the brief idea? How do you go about this?
Okay. So basically, what we do is we preliminary have the discussion with the client, if it is a corporate client or a school, because I have worked with both type of a client. So
Ah,
basically, we have the discussion, we get their ideas, like what they want to send a message to the community at large, because the footfall is constant throughout the day.
okay.
So, as per that discussion, we discuss some designs, etc., and according to that, we try to depict it
Ah,
on the wall or a canvas. That
acha,
so
acha.
here I would like to give an example of
Uh-huh,
my recent work.
uh-huh.
So there is this a cryptocurrency company in Powai, that is
Hmm.
SM Trade.
Hmm.
Boomerang करके एक building है,
Yeah. हाँ जी.
which
हाँ.
is a corporate building. So in that
Correct.
building they have their office. You all can go
Correct.
and check out my work there.
Okay.
So
Sure.
SM Trade may they had this requirement that their lobby area was pretty huge and reception area was pretty huge, and the wall just on the left side of the reception area was very tall. It is like 12 feet
Hmm.
tall or more than that.
Acha.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So they wanted to do something on that wall and they were pretty confused about it, what to do, what to
Ah.
do. So
Ah.
then I had a discussion with them. I asked them, what are your services? So
Mm-hmm.
they just simply sent me a list of services on the WhatsApp. I called
Ah.
them and understood the concept, and
Okay.
then we depicted it through the art form called graffiti, wherein you
Okay.
mix up all the forms, all the shapes
हाँ.
together and put it together.
क्या बात है? So, how did you get to this idea? Because being a CS and a lawyer, I mean, you are used to books and same old monotonous things for years and years. So, and this is something which is completely different to what as a lawyer we do. So then, how did you get the idea, or what was the inspiration behind this, and how did it all start? If you can let us know.
So the inspiration was CS and law
Hmm.
only,
Uh-huh.
because that stream has taught me a lot and it was my karma. Okay, like
Yeah.
it was supposed to happen happened with me. I was supposed to become a CS and a lawyer, so it
Uh-huh.
happened and I did it. I completed it. There
Uh-huh.
are many things which I learned throughout that journey, that I have faced
Mm.
a lot of failures, and
Yeah.
failure has taught me one thing in exams, especially that
Yeah.
you can start fresh.
Yeah.
You can always start reading the same book freshly without getting bored.
Yeah.
So this is what CS attempts and
True.
law attempts has taught me. So
True.
I was like, even though I am doing good in my current organization, in my current work, but I was not that satisfied. This
Mm-hmm.
was not something which I wanted to do till my retirement or till my 70s.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
I wasn't seeing it as my future or as my
Yeah.
life.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I gave a lot of thought. Since 2018, I was thinking about it, like what to do. I want to resign. So I joined
Uh,
another organization. I got
acha.
comfortable there. But
Uh-huh.
again, that satisfaction was not
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
Okay, the motivation to get up at 5 o'clock was not there. So then I
Ah.
thought, let's take a decision and let's resign, and then maybe I'll be able to think, because in your daily work you are so occupied that you are not able to think. Even though you go on a trip, you spend some alone time.
It is
You Yes,
बैक ऑफ द माइंड वही चलता है कि यार
yes.
काम है ये
Right.
वो है.
So I was not able to think, and then I decided once I resign, maybe I'll put myself in a difficult situation,
Hmm.
and then
Hmm.
forcefully I'll have to decide something for myself. So
हाँ.
gradually, after resigning, I started, I took up this challenge on Instagram, which one of my architect friend was conducting. It was
हाँ.
just within circle. It was
हाँ.
not a very
Okay.
big thing, so it was a 30 days of art challenge, and then I started
Okay.
just doing some random artwork, and
हाँ.
she started liking and appreciating it, being an
Okay.
architect. So I
Okay.
was like, her name is Manali Karandekar. So I
हाँ.
was like, okay, this is something which I must have ignored since childhood, but this is
Hmm.
something God gifted to me, and I should respect to it. So
Hmm.
then I thought that let's go full fledged into it, and
Hmm.
then I started doing it more better and started improvising myself, etc. And then
हाँ.
obviously I joined some circles which helped me to get more serious about it. So this
Oh,
is the entire journey, and
very
yes,
nice.
CSLLB is the motivation behind it.
Moti-
It's the reason.
oh, wow.
Yeah, it's
So
the reason.
you wanted satisfaction out of your work, so you are not getting out of CS or LLB, like
Yes,
working
yes.
in that same structure. So that is what uh, pushed you
But the
towards this path.
courage for it
Absolutely.
has got from my previous degree
Uh,
only.
yeah, that's very nice. And you also mentioned how to deal with failures. That is what this your profession, your qualification has taught you. That is very
Yes,
important. The type of relationship that you have with failure, especially now being an entrepreneur, it is very important. I mean, ups and downs are a part of every business, and how you deal with it, that what is what defines. I think the our respective qualification teaches us the technical aspects of it, but doesn't teach us the finer, the emotional aspects. So how do you deal with the, or else, if I can put it better, how important is emotional intelligence in your business, the finer aspects?
so emotional intelligence, like I said, like you gave the example, the failures. Okay, so
uh,
उन सब चीजों में क्या होता है ना कि हम गिव अप करने का सोच लेते हैं. So
yeah.
emotional intelligence के लिए what I do personally is I have started meditating.
uh,
So I have taken a formal training also last month only, and
okay.
before that I was doing
Ah.
15 minutes ka meditation.
Uh-huh.
Then having a proper schedule for the day helps
Ah.
me a lot to maintain my balance here,
Ah.
because I know how the next day is going to be.
I see.
Even though I don't have like regular assignments, but there are a lot of things which you have to do at the background to build your profile.
Yeah,
So for
yeah,
that you have to be disciplined and maintain your schedule.
yeah.
So this is the second thing which I do. And
Ah.
third thing which I do is speaking to more and more people who are absolutely
Mm.
positive about
Mm.
life. ओके।
Hmm.
पॉजिटिव अबाउट प्रोफेशन तो बहुत लोग मिलेंगे आपको,
Yeah.
बहुत लोग बोलेंगे कि
Yeah.
जिनको बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस है अपने काम को, काम से
Yes.
काम के लिए, but
Yeah.
then who are optimistic about life and who are really open to speak to you and connect you with more people is very essential. So
Yeah.
networking with positive people has helped me to keep my emotional intelligence
Hmm.
in a balanced way.
Yeah. Yeah.
So these are the
Very,
3 4 things which I am doing from past 1 year.
very nice. Yeah. And you talked about being in touch with people who are positive about life.
Yes.
So how about the client engage? So how do you get across to clients? How do you engage more and more people? As you said, you have to do a lot of work at the back. The
Yeah.
assignments are one thing, but work from the back is also very important in your business.
Hmm.
So how do you ensure
Right.
that more and more people are engaged with your content? How are you doing it? What are the steps that you are taking to reach out to more and more people and engage them?
Yes. So the power is here, I would say,
Ah, ah,
because this is so fast, and
yeah.
it's just one click away. The world is one click away. So
Mm,
we need to understand and respect the power of social media,
mm, mm,
whether it's WhatsApp,
mm,
SMS,
mm,
or any other social media platform like Instagram, etc.
mm, mm,
So, as
mm,
an artist, I would suggest to stay active on social medias like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, because WhatsApp is the first circle of yours.
yeah.
Instagram, Facebook is the second one. Okay.
Mm, mm,
So फोन नंबर उन्हीं के पास होता है जिनके आप क्लोज कनेक्ट में हो या कभी मिल चुके हो।
mm,
ओके, तो वही लोग आपका
mm,
नंबर सेव करते हैं, अदरवाइज कोई नहीं करता है। इनफैक्ट
mm,
हमारे कांटेक्ट में भी वही लोग होते हैं। सो मेक श्योर दैट यू सेंड देम दिस, डू नॉट स्पैम एनीबडी, but at
ah,
least keep it in your status. So this is the
ah,
first thing I am doing for engaging people with me.
mm,
Second thing is social media, that is Instagram, Facebook. I
Insta.
have Instagram handle that is @Lakshmi underscore Sorte.
Mm, mm,
So there I put nice pictures, I put more pictures and videos and use their latest features
mm,
to get a better reach. Then third thing I do is networking. So like I said, it is better for the emotional intelligence as well,
yeah.
and it is better for the engagement as well, because I've been part of Rotary Rotaract, so I stay
Mm,
active in the club, in my Rotary Inner Wheel club,
uh-huh.
by which many of the females know me now. Then there are
Mm,
many other circles which I have joined, like BNI, which is a business networking platform.
mm,
And
mm,
apart from that, I earlier used to keep workshops. Now I have taken a break, but I keep
ah,
workshops as well on
uh-huh.
Instagram or maybe on Zoom, etc.
Uh-huh.
So these are the steps which I am following. And apart from this, I personally also send some of my pictures profile to
Mm.
people or through email, etc. So
Ah, okay.
I do these steps to keep people engaged in my
Yeah.
content or in my work.
Yeah.
You
Because
have to keep advertising yourself.
absolutely, absolutely. The thing is that the attention span of the people is also like so less. Like they can,
Yes,
if they are not like actively engaged, and if we don't take that step, then they will straight away jump on to the next available. So it's like
right,
everything
right,
is available. The device, your phone is so fast that it's just everything is available on fingertips. So we need to
right,
put special attention on how to
right.
engage. That is very important and
Yes,
very
correct.
nicely put. Yes. So how do you like measure or define success for you? What would be a success? We talked about failure and the relationship with failure. So
Hmm.
how would you define success in your
Hmm.
business for you basically?
Yes. So for me, I had read this book. I don't remember the name. So yes,
Uh,
how to find the business that you love the most. Okay, I'll
uh-huh.
share the link with you, Raj.
Yeah, yeah.
So in that book, there are certain experiments given.
Mm.
So from that, I have understood what is success, because
Uh-huh.
for me, success is having that peace of mind and having that satisfaction at the end of the day. It doesn't mean that
Yeah.
you are having a lot of sales, you're getting
Yeah.
promoted on different platforms, you're getting a lot of
Ah.
awards, etc.
Ah.
That is not success.
Ah.
Okay. For
Yeah.
me, success is having that peace of mind and
Peace of
having
mind.
that motivation of getting up at 5 o'clock.
That is.
And
Ah.
from the business perspective, it's
Uh-huh.
really very important
Hmm.
that uh, you should continue and stay committed to your business even though you're
Mm-hmm.
not earning out of it.
Hmm. Hmm.
That will take you far.
Yeah. Oh,
बहुत
okay.
लोगों का हो जाता है, इनफैक्ट मेरे साथ ही मैंने नौकरी
Ah.
छोड़ी, पैसे
Yeah.
मिल रहे थे,
Yeah. Yeah.
इंक्रीमेंट्स भी
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छे हो रहे थे, बट उस
Ah.
पैसों का मतलब नहीं था मेरे लिए.
That
There are
satisfaction, that motivation.
hundreds, yes.
Hmm.
So you first have to stay committed to it. Money will automatically follow. This is the major lesson which I have learned.
Oh, that's really nice. Thank you. क्या बात है. So, ये, like you said, of course, this motivation, it should ensure that like you wake up excited at 5 a.m. in the morning and look forward to your work. How important do you think the support of your like close ones, your family, your friends is for the business? Because I mean, how did you manage to enroll the people around you, your family, or whether your friends, that you are going to stop this your work, your क्या बोलते हैं, employment, and then you are going to start your own entrepreneurship. So how did that
So,
happen?
राज, सपोर्ट का कैसे होता है ना
हाँ.
कि हम किस तरह से अभी सेल जो होता है वो सिर्फ
हाँ.
घर के बाहर ही नहीं होता, घर के अंदर भी होता है. ओके.
हाँ. हाँ.
सो हम कस्टमर्स को जैसे बाहर कन्विंस करते हैं ना कि मेरा काम बहुत अच्छा है,
हाँ. हाँ.
वो
हाँ.
सेम वैसे कन्विंस करना पड़ता है हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स को.
Yeah. Yeah.
ओके.
Yeah.
बस फर्क इतना है कि फैमिली वाले टाइम ज्यादा लेते हैं कन्विंस
Ah,
होने के लिए.
and I
सो
can imagine that type
सपोर्ट.
of a Three Idiots का scenario, that Farhan going to tell his father that मैं
फादर.
photography करने वाला हूँ. Yeah. So that's so did something like that happen, or it was smooth, or
So,
how was it?
oh, okay. So it is going to come on your YouTube channel that I have lied to my father
Hmm.
that मेरे कंपनी ने मुझे निकाल दिया है, even
Hmm.
though I have resigned by my
Ha ha ha
choice.
ha
Okay.
ha ha
And till date, he is asking me whether you have got a job or not. I said
ha
no,
ha
I
ha.
am not going for a job now. So
Hmm.
this is the thing that
Ha
has happened with me, the same scenario. So then I
ha
told my father recently that
ha
this is what I am doing,
ha
and
ha
I
ha
keep taking assignments from people, etc.,
ha
and how I am growing, etc. So he was pretty much
ha.
convinced, but
That's
still it's there in his mind that I should opt for CS and law and I should go back to the
ah
corporate, etc. So
ah
he is not yet convinced with my skills and
ah
knowledge, etc. Okay,
ah.
so he is like a customer to me. So
Yeah,
जो
yeah,
फैमिली का सपोर्ट एक्सेट्रा रहता है ना, तुम कैसे बेच रहे हो और कैसे कन्विंस कर रहे हो ना,
yeah,
उस पर ही रहता है. इट्स जस्ट वक्त ज्यादा लगता है.
yeah. It is ongoing,
So
and I feel that enrollment is also ongoing. You have to like keep reminding them that yes, this is what I'm doing, this is how, and you have to keep like you use convincing. It is like enrolling that yes, they have to then yes, that this is what it is, and it is very good, it is very nice, it is, and basically that it is perfect. So that
exactly.
is what it is. Very nice. Yeah.
Right,
Thank
right.
you.
And from parents' perspective, financial security is essential for them because how my
Yeah,
child
yeah,
is going to survive, etc. These are the
yeah,
questions in
yeah,
their mind, which is
yeah.
absolutely right. So वो
Ah,
financial security मैं जितने जल्दी उनको दिखा पाऊंगी, especially in case of my
yeah.
dad. Otherwise, my in-laws, my husband, my mom, everybody's
Mm-hmm.
pretty convinced with me, and they
Yeah.
know that once I decide things, I will make sure
Mm.
that I'll take that project till the end. But
Oh.
from my father's perspective, once I am financially secure, which is absolutely right, and that is the motivation for me
Ah,
to push hard myself. So my father
ah,
is calmed down. So for
Yeah.
him, I am going to make it happen.
Absolutely. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. What a that's a really nice way to like look forward that yes, this has to be done and we have to be successful. Very nice.
Yes.
That's a very nice motivation to come from. So thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you very much for being a part of this. Basically, this channel, as you know, RK Talks, I have started this channel to guide the business persons and entrepreneurs on various aspects which a businessman or a entrepreneur may come across. So in this also this type of interaction, I hope that the viewers would watch it, and whoever is has an idea but is struggling with अरे करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए क्या करना चाहिए probably hopefully by listening to your sharing they can get
Yes.
a idea and they can just go ahead and pursue it without worrying about anything. So that is the idea. Yes, Lakshmi.
And
Yeah,
thank you so much, Raj, for your kind words and
yeah,
inviting me on your channel and to
yeah,
listening me and bringing the story of my journey
yeah,
to your audience. And yes, rightly said, if anybody gets 1% of motivation out of this conversation, then I think
yeah,
we both have done a very great contribution to the society
absolutely,
through our
absolutely.
lives and through our experiences.
Yeah,
And to your audience, I want to say that Raj is a very good friend of mine, and we have been touched from past 7 8 years, or maybe more than that.
yeah,
And he is a great company secretary, and to some extent, some extent, chartered accountant as well. So please opt for his services and do subscribe to his channel and be part of his initiative. And if you want to, get interviewed on his channel, just speak to him. He's very approachable and a very energetic guy.
thank you. That's really kind of you, Lakshmi. And for whoever wishes to view the artwork which Lakshmi Sorte has shared, I'll share all the description, the Instagram page as well in the description. So you can have a look. You can also like the page and you can stay tuned for more updates from Lakshmi Sorte as well. So by this, thank you very much for tuning into RK Talks. We will be back with more.
Thank